If you are a product based brand, then I am about to tell you the best way that you can market your products so that you know that sales are not stuck. Hi, my name is Garima. I'm a marketing and sales strategist, and I have a program called as Seen and Sold, where I help businesses such as service based or product based to understand how can they do their marketing and generate results out of it. And in today's video, I'm about to share the one most important thing, a gap that most of the product based businesses are missing out right now in these days, because of which their sales are stuck. It starts with a little story. Few days ago, I came across a Instagram ad and was really intrigued by the product in it. Now that product was a small holding device for our phones, and which can be mostly used by content creators and people who have to make videos from anywhere, so that in terms of creating content or for any such purpose that they have. Now what happened was, I was really impressed by the product, and I moved past it. Few days later, I again saw another ad of that same product, which made me literally buy it. Now, just to give you a little context, I am not someone who's gonna buy something without even doing a thorough analysis on it. Now, I do buy a lot of things, and many of my friends do call me like someone who is a consumerist and all that stuff, but even then, I make sure whichever product I buy or whatever I buy, whatever I invest my money into, I do a thorough research of it. Like, it has to be like 2 or 3 sittings of me searching everything, going through the entire thing and all that stuff. But what made me buy this product by just simply seeing another ad of it, like just within 2 ads of like what, 30 seconds, I was impressed enough and I was confident enough to go buy it, because I knew it is something that I would be using. Now, I do have an Instagram video talking about specifically what went in this situation with the product and all the ad. So do make sure that you go there, check it out, because even there I'm giving a really interesting insight for product based brands to make sure that they are in the game and their sales are always on, like, up on the charts. Now coming back to the story, what exactly happened there that an ad made me buy the product? Someone who is so skeptical. So what I am about to tell you is a must do for any brand who has a product, that when you create ads or reels or content or any marketing scenario for a product that you have, you need to show your product in action. Now what do I mean by that? Well, to show your product in action is basically not simply have a picture or a video of just a product, but showing it how the product can be utilized, so that the other person who's sitting across from the phone, who's watching your marketing content that you have put across, they know in which context can they use your product. So you need to tell some stories to your market. Now, to explain you the psychology behind this particular strategy that you should be applying, let me tell you that, let's say you have a product and you are showing the product in use, whatever the use cases or usages of that products are, along with it you are showing the scenario in which a product can be used, works in your favor. Why? Because of that, your customer gets a idea or finds your product relevant for themselves. A very simple example of it is, if you have a handloom sari based business, I get it, you have to show pictures, of course, because pictures gives you the details of the product. But to go inside the heads or the minds, the consciousness of your audience, you need to show that sari in its use form, which can be a handloom sari, cotton or silk handloom sari, wherein there's a picture of a lady sitting at her desk working in an corporate office, all boss lady vibes, but in that sari. How's that? Right? So just know this can be applied on any product. Simply think that who all are the audience of a product. It can be anyone, anything, any age range, any gender, all that stuff. Just put that down. First, just put down the audience that your product has or can serve. Then take down the ICP of your audience, which is ideal customer persona. What does your audience do? Where do they hang out? What do they eat? What do they do for a living? What parties do they go to? What kind of scenarios that they find themselves usually in? When you take all these down, just recreate those scenarios with your product. So coming back to the sari option, you can also show that a woman who is wearing a sari going to an office, and then evening may cut to she has to directly go from the office to a party. Then your saris come into the picture where they are luxurious enough and smart enough to be like wear it to an office wherein you get that aura, that personality, and cut to with just minute like jewelry and some makeup. That exact same product, that exact same sari can be worn to a party as well. And by just doing this, you are conveying it to your audience, that lady who is watching your content, that it's not just a plain product or a sari that you are giving. You are giving her convenience. You are giving her a status. You are giving her the feel of luxuriousness. All these things you need to showcase it to your audience, because then and only then they are going to understand the value. So be it any product that you have, you need to show it in action, because that's exactly how you're going to convey it to your audience, that what does your product brings to the table for them. And if you can just simply do that, your audience is going to buy from you just like that. The way I bought a tripod by just watching 2 ads of 30 seconds of it. And do you know what was in that ad? The ad was not about someone speaking how beautiful that product is, or how convenient that product is, or how small it is, or what kind of material it is, or how can it bend this way, that nothing. The entire ad was about various people simply using it for themselves. Now I know for my work I have to make these videos or create content in almost every single day, and I have with me my laptop and all these stuff. I do have a bigger tripod which folds like to this size and this thickness, right? But still I got intrigued for buying that, because the ad showed me so many ways that that small particular piece of product is going to become convenient for me. I can take that with me anywhere, even to parties where I don't even think that I'm going to create content, and maybe if I like simply get an idea, I can just stick it somewhere and then just speak. So everything gets so easy in terms of content creation for me. And that's exactly the ad conveyed, that that small piece of tripod can be used anywhere. And that's what made me buy it. So make sure that you show your product in action, because that's the only way that you're going to get into the minds of your audience, and that's the most important thing right now in 2025 at least, that you need to showcase if you want to get the ROI of the spend that you are doing and generate profits out of your dream business that you have created. And I hope this helps. And if you want to take 2 steps ahead and understand your business's marketing and sales strategies and how you can build it, then I have a course called as Seen and Sold, where it is exactly curated for businesses to understand how they can make a strategy for themselves. So please do check out if you think that that is something that's going to help you. And I'll see you in the next one.